What is up, YouTube? How are you guys doing today? If you don't know me already, I'm Dawson. I'm owner and creator of Fitness Ministry, where I inspire women just like you to love the skin you're in through faith, fitness, and food. And I do this by teaching you, for one, how to train with a purpose, two, how to eat with a purpose, and three, how to have faith through the process. So today, you guys, we are going over foam rolling.
Try to change for you, but you stay the same.
I'm going to explain these and then you guys can watch the how to foam roll after, but I'm going to go over some tips first. There's a few different rollers, foam rollers, you guys. The firmer it is, the more it hurts. The more bumpy it is, the more you get that deep tissue. Doesn't feel as nice in the beginning. And then you can even go even more. This one has got really big, they call it the rumble roller. And then you can do things like a ball. This one's got little bumps on it. And so you can use this like when you're on the ground, getting in between those shoulder blades or any part of your necks or your traps that are really sore, your lats, any area that you can't really get with the rumble roller or the foam roller, you can get with the ball, tennis ball, things like that. So a few tips, you guys, when you are foam rolling. Now, it's not about going through the movement fast. It is about going through that movement until you feel that pain point, right? It's self-myofascial release. So you want to go through it until you feel that knot, get that blood flowing to that area. This gets rid of that lactic acid buildup, and hold it. Yes, it's not going to feel nice. It's going to make you feel really sweaty. But the goal is the more you do it, the less it will hurt. The better your workouts will be, the better you'll recover. It just has so many benefits. So this is great. You guys can do this after you're done your workouts. You can do it for a warm-up, getting those, like I said, it gets that blood flowing to that muscle area. So this is great for warm-up, recovery, making you move better, making your workouts better. That being said, you guys, without further ado, enjoy the foam rolling movements. If you like this, if you want to see more of this, leave your comments below. If you have any questions, leave your comments below. You guys, don't forget to give me a subscribe and a thumbs up. Hit that notification bell if you want to be notified when I upload new videos. Other than that, everything's in the show notes. Enjoy, you guys. Bye for now.